Hey everyone, Tim Strifler here. Welcome to another episode of WP, the podcast. And super excited for this episode. We're talking about how to create a custom WordPress dashboard for clients. Now, if you're someone that's building client sites and you're always trying to find ways to upsell your clients into additional packages or just provide more branding, right? I don't think there's any reason to hide the fact that your website uses WordPress. People know WordPress, they trust WordPress. It's not like you're going to be building everything from scratch. But I think there are opportunities to add some of your own branding to WordPress to remind your customer who built the site so that they'll come to you when they need something. Obviously, ideally, they're going to be on your maintenance plan, so they're going to be paying you monthly to maintain their site and that sort of thing. But having some level of branding on your site can be really effective. So one of the ways that you can do that is to create a custom dashboard on your client site. So for example, the typical WordPress dashboard is boring and it's talks just about WordPress and it's not specific to your client or your site or your company or anything like that. And it has, the help content, like here's how to get started, here's how to edit your menus. And it's like, yeah, pretty boring. And most of us, we've seen it so many times that we just kind of completely ignore it, right? And so here's the thing though, is your clients, they don't ignore it because they don't see it as much as we do. And so they're probably looking at it and they're trying to figure out how to use their website to do things. And it's not really helpful to them because if you're using a page builder like Divi or Elementor, well, that content isn't designed for the page builder that you used. It's very basic WordPress stuff. And so it's not really going to be helpful to them. So what you can do instead is you can create a custom dashboard for your clients with specific help content, if you want, that teaches them how to use their website or the builder. You can create those videos yourself, or you can create some upsell opportunities that says, hey, if you need help getting traffic to your site, give us a call. We can talk about some strategies we can do to get you more traffic, right? And so there's so many different things you can do. You can brand your company, you can brand their company, make them feel special. You built them this custom dashboard with their logo on it. So you can do whatever you want. The way you do that is, this is a shameless plug. This is my plugin called Divi Dashboard. Right. So this is a plugin that me and my team created. It's actually one of the first plugins we created in like 2016. And then we just rebuilt it a few months ago for the 2.0 version, rebuilt from the ground up. And it's called Divi Dashboard. But here's the cool thing. You don't actually need to be using Divi for it to work. You can use any page builder that you want, and it's going to work just great. But what it does is it allows you to, there's a custom post type. You use your page builder of choice in the custom post type to build a custom dashboard. So using your page builder, you create it the way you want, make it look the way you want, design it to match your brand, your client's brand, whatever, add the content that you want. And then in the settings panel, you just assign that specific post in the dashboard custom post type to the specific role. So you could have a different dashboard for admins as you do editors, as you do subscribers, or you can have them all the same. And then you can do just the welcome little square that can be dismissed, and then it is normal WordPress, or you can have the whole dashboard screen. So you can do that with Divi Dashboard. So I have a link in the show notes, so definitely check that out if you want to create a custom WordPress dashboard for clients. We created this. We're the first ones to ever do something like this way back in 2016, and it's gotten really popular, and our customers love it, especially those that are building websites for clients, to be able to add something extra and special. And you can also, there's another feature where you can do a global dashboard so you can just have the same one for all of your client sites. And then you can update it and it automatically updates across all your sites. So you can do that with Divi Dashboard. So lots of really, really cool features built in. So that is it for this episode. Tune in tomorrow. We're going to talk about 5 tips for creating effective videos. It's kind of the part 2 to yesterday's episode when we talked about why every web designer needs a welcome video. So tune in for that. Until tomorrow, take care. Bye-bye.